Introducing the INMO Air2, the next generation wireless AR glasses. With ultra-lightweight optical lenses, you can embrace a new level of freedom and convenience without sacrificing visual quality. Immerse yourself in a world of entertainment while commuting or camping or catching up on your favorite shows. It's your ultimate mobile cinema. With built-in ChatGPT Intelligent Assistant, you can unlock a world of possibilities for enhanced productivity. Whether it's collaborating on a project, attending virtual meetings, giving a speech, or conversation translation, it's your intelligent assistant. Capture life's special moments from fishing trips to riding adventures, and take your outdoor activities to the next level. Say goodbye to the head-down culture and embrace a hands-free lifestyle. The INMO Ring provides you with an even more seamless control experience, with up to 5.5 hours of continuous use. The INMO Air 2, revolutionizing the world of AR glasses.